Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some cleaning and a little bit of redecorating. We're going to start off here in the living room, and then we're going to work our way to the dining room. So let's just jump into it and get started. I found these lights at Goodwill, and I'm debating on putting them up here at the TV stand. The only problem is I'll have to move one of the IKEA shelves to plug it in, but I think it'd be really pretty underneath that TV, so we'll probably try that here in a few minutes. See if we like it. If not, I'll put them back on the buffet in there. I think I shared this in my last video, but I love this coffee table, but it doesn't matter. You can clean it, and in 20 minutes you're going to see stuff all over it. So I'm currently looking for a new coffee table, and I'll be donating this to somebody else. Plugged up back there, so that's great. So, I'm gonna throw it up there. Hopefully I can reach it. Oh yeah. Then we'll see if we like them there before I put this back. Alright y'all. Let's turn them on and see how it looks. Kind of cute. All right, I think we'll work with that for a while. Alright, I have these two that I normally use. This one is coconutty, but I think I'm gonna go with this one, apples and cinnamon. This stuff, it smells so good, and this one actually lasts longer than the Yankee Candle. This one, if you spray it a couple of times, it'll last for hours. So we're gonna go with this one. Just a couple sprays and your whole house will smell so good. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to start cleaning up the dining room. We actually were playing some games last night and doing some other stuff, so we have a mess in here. But yeah. All right, what I want to talk to y'all about is any ideas for over here. I think I'm gonna get rid of this buffet and maybe do the IKEA shelves in here, but I'm still trying to figure out if that's what I want to do or just build something custom. For me, when I walk in, this just looks too plain over here. Even when I have all kind of stuff on this buffet, I think it just looks cluttered. So if y'all have any ideas, please let me know. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, I never know what to do over here, but we're just going to kind of clean it up and try to decorate it the best we can. Around Christmas time, I normally can really make it really pretty. I put up all my Christmas trees up here and it looks good. But throughout the rest of the year, it just looks too plain over here. I don't really love this. I love this buffet. I actually found it on Marketplace a couple years ago for like $40. It was all the natural wood, but I painted it. It could use another touch up, but I like that. Y'all know I like that old farmhousey feel. I think if I was to get rid of it, I would regret it, so I probably will find another spot for it or either put it outside in our shed until I figure out what to do with it. But I was thinking either some nice IKEA shelves along the whole wall, maybe put my Pyrex in it, kind of like we did in the living room, but maybe the one with more storage. Or going to Lowe's and do the custom cabinetry. Maybe some wood shelves. Still could use that for storage and underneath. But yeah, what do y'all think? Keep this and just kind of try to decorate it, or do the custom built idea, or the IKEA shelves? But for now, we're just gonna do the best we can. had these in my bedroom. They used to be in the living room. We're gonna try it right here and on the other side because it's kind of plain over here. I'm gonna put them on this screw and then, whoops, on this hole that I already had here. I think I had some hanging lanterns here, but there's no telling where they are. Let's just see what we think. I got one more. Alright, y'all, so that's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys stopping by for this little clean with me and redecorate with me. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see you next week.